Hi guys. Welcome back to Creative Mind YouTube channel with another tutorial. Today I'll show you how to create these amazing AI images for free.
Creative Mind is the king of the screen, teaching us the art, making it all so keen.
First of all, open your browser. Now search Playground AI. Now this tab appears. Now sign in with your Google account. Now enter your prompt here. Now click on Generate. It will take up to few seconds. And here we go. Now let's make changes in prompt. Now click on Generate. And here we go. If you're satisfied with this creation, you can easily download it like this. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to